Welcome to Slow Living English.
Welcome to a new episode of Slow Living English. I am Alice, and I am very happy to see you today.
Hello, everyone. I am Mark. On this channel, we believe that learning a language should be a relaxing and peaceful journey.
Today, we are going to explore a very special part of life in Taiwan. We are looking at the amazing convenience store culture.
The content of this episode is very useful for every foreigner who comes to Taiwan. We are going to see how Taiwanese people use convenience stores to finish many tasks.
In this video, I will take Mark to the convenience store right below our hotel. This is a great way for you to learn simple and clear English while seeing how convenient life in Taiwan is. We will talk about the different things you can do in these stores, like picking up a package or buying a hot coffee.
I was really surprised when I first saw these stores. They seem to be everywhere. I want to learn more about how they work.
We will speak slowly and clearly so that all of you can follow our conversation. This is perfect for beginners who want to practice listening to natural English.
Before we start our store tour, I have a small challenge for you. Please listen carefully to the story to find the answer. Here is today's question. What is the special reward for invoices in Taiwan? If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. We love reading your English practice.
Are you ready to see the magical world of Taiwan's convenience stores? Let's start our story now.
Alice, I think my stomach is talking to me. I am so hungry that I cannot think. We have been walking outside for a full 6 hours. 6 hours.
It was a very long day. I had so many places I wanted to show you. It is already midnight now. I forgot that most restaurants are closed at this time.
Is there anywhere else we can go? I am really starving. My legs are very tired, but my stomach is even more tired.
Do not worry at all. We are in Taiwan. We have thousands of friends that are always open for us. Look out the window. Do you see those bright and colorful signs on the street?
Yes, I see them. There are so many colorful signs. Wait, I can see 3 different stores just on this one street. Is that normal?
It is very normal. In Taiwan, they are everywhere. Taiwan has the highest density of convenience stores in the world. There is one store for every 2,000 people. Look over there, a 7-Eleven is right across from a FamilyMart, and the one next to it is High Life. These are the 3 main convenience stores in Taiwan.
That is incredible. But are they really open right now?
Almost all of them are open 24 hours a day. They never close during the whole year, even on holidays like the Lunar New Year. Only a very small number of smaller shops close late at night.
Then let's go to the FamilyMart closest to us. It is right downstairs from our hotel.
Okay, let's go. I also have a few things I need to do there.
Wow, it is so bright in here, and the air conditioning feels so good. Wait, Alice, what is that smell? It smells so good. It makes me so hungry.
That is the smell of tea eggs. They are very common in Taiwan. The staff puts the eggs in tea and special herbs and boils them for a long time. That is why the eggs are a dark brown color. It is a very cheap and healthy snack. Almost every convenience store has a big pot of them near the counter.
I definitely want to try one of those. But look at this store, Alice. It is so organized. Where should we look first? I need to eat a real meal.
Let's walk through the aisles together. Follow me. First, Let's look at the snack area. You can see many different kinds of potato chips. Some are salty and some are sweet. Besides international brands, there are many Taiwanese brands of chips too.
There are so many. It is a whole row. I think I will take a small bag of these seaweed-flavored crackers later. What are these small packages?
Those are dried fruits and nuts. Many people buy them as a quick snack while they are working. These nuts are very healthy and taste great. Now let's move to the drink section. This is my favorite part. Look at all these refrigerators.
This is a huge scale. There are so many types of bottled tea. I see green tea, black tea, and oolong tea. But why are some labels different?
Good eye, Mark. In Taiwan, we care a lot about sugar. Some teas have no sugar and some are sweet. Usually, the green labels mean there is no sugar. It is very refreshing when the weather is hot outside. We also have soy milk, fresh milk, and many fruit juices.
I will take a bottle of unsweetened green tea. Now, I really need something that can fill my stomach. I am starving.
Let's go to the fresh food area. Look at these shelves. We have bento boxes, which are complete meals with rice, meat, and vegetables. We also have spaghetti, sandwiches, and even cold noodles.
These look much better than the convenience store food in my country. Can I eat them hot?
Yes. If you buy a bento box or a bowl of noodles, just give it to the staff. They have many microwaves behind the counter. They will heat it up for you in less than a minute.
That is perfect. I will take this fried chicken bento with rice. Wait, there is a sticker on it. What does this sticker mean?
Mark, it looks like you found a discounted item. The bento you are holding is cheaper than the original price. This is a promotion. To avoid wasting food, the store uses a cheaper price to attract people to buy it so the food sells faster.
Then I am very lucky. By the way, Alice, what are you doing with your phone?
I am checking my package. I just received a message saying the book I bought yesterday arrived at the convenience store today.
You can pick up packages at a convenience store. It is not at the post office.
In Taiwan, you can order things online and send them to the convenience store. It is safer than leaving them at your door, and you can go pick them up at any time, even at 3 o'clock in the morning.
Wow, that is really convenient. And convenience stores are everywhere. So, how do you pick up a package?
I just show the staff my ID card and tell them the last 3 digits of my phone number. Follow me. Hello, I would like to pick up a package. My name is Alice, and the last 3 digits of my phone number are 966.
One moment, please. Let me check the shelf. Yes, it is here. Do you need anything else?
Yes, I also want to pay this electricity bill. Can you scan the barcode for me?
No problem. I will scan it for you now. There, it is finished.
Alice, do you even pay your bills at the convenience store?
Yes, Mark. You can pay almost all your bills here. Electricity, water, phone bills, and even parking tickets. You can use that big machine over there to call a taxi or print documents.
That machine over there? It looks like a computer.
It is a computer. It is called FamilyMart. 7-Eleven has a similar machine, but the name is a bit different. You can buy train tickets, concert tickets, and you can even send your laundry to be cleaned.
This is not just a store. It is like a community center. I am so impressed.
It really is. Now I am going to order a cup of coffee. I still have to work a little more when we get back to the hotel.
What kind of coffee would you like today?
Please give me one large Americano, iced with no sugar. Thank you.
No problem. That will be 45 new Taiwan dollars.
Wait a moment. Please scan these items together as well. Thank you.
Okay, 1 fried chicken bento, 1 green tea, 1 bag of crackers, and the coffee. The total is 250 new Taiwan dollars. Do you have a carrier for the invoice?
No, thank you. You can just print the invoice. I will pay with my Easy card.
Okay, here's your coffee. Have a wonderful night.
Thank you. Have a good night. Okay, Mark, let's take our things and go outside. It is a very peaceful night.
Alice, I am so confused. You just picked up a package, paid a bill, and ordered coffee all in the same place?
That's right. This is why we call it a convenience store. You can do almost anything here. You can even buy train tickets or use the printer to copy documents. It makes life very simple for busy people.
I am really surprised. The staff is very fast, and they can handle so many things at the same time.
Yes, they are very hardworking and very talented.
Alice, I have a question. Just now, the staff asked if you have a carrier. What does that mean? Is it a bag?
Good question. In Taiwan, we use something called a carrier or a mobile barcode. It is a special barcode on our phones. If we show it to the staff, the invoice is saved on the internet. We do not have to take a paper invoice. It is very good for the environment because it saves paper.
Oh, I see. So it is an electronic invoice. But you took the paper one. Why?
To show it to you. Invoices in Taiwan are just like a big lottery. Every 2 months, the government draws winning numbers. If your invoice number matches, you can win a prize. The prize money can be from 200 to 10 million new Taiwan dollars.
10 million new Taiwan dollars from one coffee invoice? That is incredible. I am going to save every invoice I get in Taiwan.
Most people here save them carefully. Checking the numbers is very exciting. However, a carrier can also help you check the numbers automatically on your phone, which is even easier.
And you did not pay with cash just now. What card did you use to pay? Was it a credit card?
That was an Easy card. You can use it to take the bus and the subway. But you can also use it to pay at convenience stores, supermarkets, and some restaurants. You just need to tap it on the sensor.
Taiwan really thought of everything. I am sitting on this bench now, and my fried chicken bento is so delicious. It is still hot and fresh.
I am glad you like it. I am also enjoying my iced coffee. It is the perfect way to finish a whole day of walking.
By the way, is your coffee good? I heard it was only 45 new Taiwan dollars.
It is actually very good. They use fresh coffee beans. Many people in Taiwan come here to buy coffee every morning.
That sounds great. I will try it next time too. I am so full now. The bento was warm and fresh. I cannot believe I can eat such good food in the middle of the night.
Next time, you can eat in the dining area of the convenience store. You can even use the free Wi-Fi there.
Alice, thank you for taking me to see this. I think I am falling in love with Taiwan's convenience store culture. It makes life much easier.
Many people feel the same way. Convenience stores are like a second home to Taiwanese people. Many people go there at least once or twice every day.
I completely understand. Can we come back tomorrow morning to try the tea eggs? I want to see if they taste as good as they smell.
Of course, we can have tea eggs with fresh soy milk for breakfast. It is a very traditional way to start the day.
Let's do that. Now, let's go back to the hotel. I am finally ready to sleep.
Okay, let's go. I still have some documents I need to continue working on. Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed our late-night trip to the convenience store. It is a very special part of life here in Taiwan.
I learned a lot today. It was more than just shopping. It was a lesson on how to live comfortably. I am really impressed by the services and the food here.
I am happy that you found it interesting. Now, let's review some of the useful vocabulary and concepts we talked about today.
First, we learned about the convenience store culture in Taiwan. They are almost everywhere, and they almost never close.
We also talked about many services. Remember, you can pay your bills, pick up online shopping packages, and even order freshly brewed coffee at the counter.
We learned about the food, like bento boxes and the famous tea eggs that smell so good.
We also explained the carrier or mobile barcode. This is a way to store invoices electronically to save paper. Now, it is time to announce the answer to our challenge question. Do you remember the question?
The question was, what is the special reward for invoices in Taiwan?
The answer is you can win a prize just like the big lottery. In Taiwan, you can check your invoices every 2 months. If you are lucky enough, you can even win 10 million new Taiwan dollars. Did you hear that in the story?
If you did, well done. You are an amazing listener. If not, do not worry. You can watch the video again to practice.
Thank you very much for watching Slow Living English today. We hope this video helped you feel more comfortable when speaking English and made you more curious about Taiwan.
If you liked this story, please give the video a like and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us create more content for you.
We will continue to share more stories about life, food, and culture in slow and simple English.
Keep practicing every day. Even listening just a little bit can help your English improve.
Stay curious, stay relaxed, and enjoy your learning journey. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.
Have a beautiful day or a peaceful night wherever you are. See you next time.
Goodbye for now.
Bye-bye.